Do you want to be an employer of choice? But what exactly does it mean? Is it about being perceived as the best organization to work for, or is it more? Every organization needs to understand the concept of employer branding to become a desired employer. Employer branding is a modern concept that addresses the major pain point of businesses failing to attract and retain top talent. It is about developing and executing strategies to hire the required workforce. The idea is to help businesses discover motivated, result-oriented employees. Use this actionable employer branding presentation to streamline your recruitment marketing initiatives. Global disruption and workforce transformations are putting companies to test on how well they can incorporate new remote work models, adapt to changing marketplaces, and attend to employees' changing needs. Hence, your organization needs impactful recruitment marketing to keep up with these twists and turns. Here are the most effective strategies to become the employer of choice. First is to define your employer branding goals. You need to think about what do you want to achieve with your recruitment marketing strategy. Some of the common goals include getting more high-quality candidates, increasing candidate engagement, increasing employer brand awareness, building trust with current candidates, getting more career site visitors, increasing offer acceptance rate, and so on. Second is to identify your candidate persona. Defining your candidate persona is a crucial step here. Without knowing who your perfect candidate is, you won't be able to send targeted messages to the candidates that you want to attract. Here is our cheat sheet for defining a candidate persona. It includes organization inbound strategies and techniques for finding, attracting, engaging, and nurturing talent before they apply for a position, often known as the pre-applicant phase of talent acquisition. Download this presentation to communicate your recruitment marketing strategies effectively. Third is to define your employee value proposition. Do you know why your current employees have chosen you? Do you know why do they stay and what do they like most about you as an employer? These are the questions you need to answer in order to set up a successful employer brand. Answers to these questions best explain your employee value proposition. Your EVP is the message you will target your candidate persona with. These are the main 5 blocks of every employee value proposition: compensation, benefits, career, work environment, and culture. Fourth is to define the channels to promote your employer brand. There are around 10 touch points with candidates before they get hired. They are the points of thus called candidate journey. Many of these touch points are also channels for promoting your brand. These are just some of the opportunities or touch points you can leverage for your recruitment marketing efforts, such as job seekers seeing a tweet, visiting Glassdoor, reading employee testimonials, then following your company page, opening an email, and applying for a job. Use this recruitment marketing presentation to attract the best talent. And this is how you can plan the content for all your recruitment marketing channels. Having a content calendar can improve your marketing efficiency and ensure that your brand is able to get content out and connect with its target audience consistently. Here you can mention about status update, content type, target audience, publishing channel, etc. for particular days of the week. Fifth is to measure your employer branding success. Based on the goals that you set up in the first step, you should measure the success of your employer branding strategy. This slide mentions some of the crucial KPIs for different marketing activities and platforms such as companies' social media performance on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. with follower count, likes, comments, and so on. Data-driven recruiting, however, is impossible without the right measuring tools. Recruitment teams must have a dashboard to understand every aspect of the hiring process. A comprehensive dashboard like this can keep your employer branding efforts aligned with your goals. It is a helpful tool to find out overall interest job seekers have in working for the company and to understanding how many candidates are moving through the hiring process. These are the most effective strategies for implementing employer branding efforts. If you are looking for more employer branding templates, click on the link or visit www.slideteam.net.